Hollywood Studios. Awesome theming here with Star Wars. Lots of people. It's about 93 degrees. Alright, I'm gonna go in that gift shop. Alright. Let's take a look and see what the gift shops have to offer here. This is the line for the food. Take a look at this theming here. You got the Millennium Falcon. How awesome is that? Got the big old hills in the background. They have like ambient sounds all around to go along with this. Amazing. Also in front of the Millennium Falcon, you can get pictures taken if you have the photo pass. And that's what we're gonna get ready to do right now. Now, this is probably one of the coolest structures here in Star Wars land, Hollywood Studios. The Millennium Falcon. There's a photo pass, people.
Jedi? Oh yeah.
Alright. There's some more of the theming around here.
Whatever that is, someone is something.
Affirmative. Understood, Lieutenant. gonna go over here.
Well. Black Spire Outpost. Certainly lives up to its reputation, doesn't it, Eden? Look at this place. Blaster holes in the walls. We've got people lurking back here in shadows and despair. Do you live on the streets here? I'm not surprised. I'm just disappointed. Don't worry, we'll get this place cleaned up. That's why we're here. Look at the two of you lurking back there. Come on. It looks unsettling. Frankly, it's a little suspicious. Come and bathe under the light of the three suns with me. Yes, ma'am. There's nowhere you can go where we won't find you. Let's make this easier. If I can see your face a little more closely, it'll help me remember it, too. Please, all of you within this outpost, and whatever you are, hear me. The First Order is now firmly in power. Sounds like someone's booing, but it's so weak that I can barely hear it. They could use some work. Looks like we're definitely getting promoted today, boys. The resistance has finally been destroyed. But they don't want to accept it, do they? They do not see that the First Order brings stability, order, and rule of law to the galaxy. The resistance, they would disrupt this balance. They would bring conflict, aggression, even war. And we would be forced to respond with the same, yet they press on, trying to survive, to keep fighting for a hopeless cause. We believe resistance spy has been sent to us too. Some of you may have even cooperated. Some of you may actually support the resistance. If this is so, we will find out you will feel the consequences of your actions, Chuckles. Troopers!
Lieutenant.
Sir, welcome to my duty.
You are a killer ambassador.
Sir?
Have you found the resistance spy?
Not yet, sir. But we will. I have dispatched patrol units into each sector.
You have failed, Lieutenant.
Sir?
That resistance spy was tracked to Batu. You were sent to find her. If she is here, she may not be alone. Do you understand? Yes. The resistance must not be allowed to regroup. If someone in this outpost knows something, we need to find them.
Sir, I'll prepare a team. I'll leave it myself at once. I'll make
You
sure.
will await further orders.
Yes, sir.
Yours.
Spring leaders here. Travel to the far reaches of the outer rim. Just for you. Just to keep you safe, all that we ask is that you enjoy yourselves. Enjoy your family bonding time. And remember, we're always watching. Remain where you are. Prepare to be questioned. Follow the order.
Your skills will be of value to us. Order has a place for those who would join our cause. We also have a place for those who will not. Clear enough.
Say less. I'm gonna follow
All right, here is one of the gift shops here, Hollywood Studios in the Star Wars land, that has some of the coolest of the Star Wars merch. This is a First Order Stormtrooper helmet. These are like binoculars. a baton and a shield. There are starfighters, special forces, TIE fighter. There's a hat. Here's some coffee cups. Loyal to the Empire. Black Spire Outpost. Protect the galaxy. All kinds of cool Star Wars merchandise. I'd like to have that for my garage. That's a full helmet right there that you could buy. This one says for display only. Please do not touch. Oh, here's a look at the full helmet. $150 in that picture frame can be yours. Here are some of the pins. And then here are some costumes for kids. So the difference between this first order Stormtrooper helmet is it's a half versus that one's a full, and you can buy the full ones right there. $140 and you can have that Stormtrooper statue, or that first order Stormtrooper bust, and that's the original Star Wars era for $250. Some more Star Wars merch here. There we go.
We have met some treacherous resistance insurgents here in Black Spire Outpost, but Hannah, you might be the worst of the worst. We can't assist them, by the way. You know what they want, don't you, Hannah? They want to convert these children into war criminals. They want them blowing up Star Destroyers, working with pirates, stealing coaxium. We don't want that for the children here, Hannah, so help us. Identify members of the resistance, bring them to us, and there can finally be peace in this